Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You're signed in, permissions granted, and your project files accessible. Once done, open the Motion AI Assistant in the workspace and select a new session. Provide a concise goal and choose output type so the assistant understands format constraints. Make sure to attach any reference files and set language and voice options if needed. This immediate setup speeds responses and focuses the assistant on relevant assets rather than generic defaults. Next, build the detailed prompt. State the how and why, include examples, and define tone and constraints so the assistant executes precisely. Once configured, enable any integrations, calendar, databases, or file storage, and set iteration count and response length. Run the task and monitor the assistant's intermediate outputs, refining prompts between runs to improve accuracy. If you need structured data, request JSON or CSV. If creative output, request drafts and revisions for faster tuning. Finish by reviewing the assistant's results. Request targeted edits, verify facts, and then export or publish the final output. Once satisfied, save the session settings as a reusable template to save future time. If something goes wrong, first confirm permissions and integration status, then simplify and clarify the prompt to isolate the issue. Make sure error logs or assistant feedback are visible. If persistent, restart the session or reauthorize integrations to resolve hidden connection or token error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.